Governor Hutchinson actually held a ceremonial signing for Act 558 at 1:30 this afternoon, ahead of SB 668 being voted on. Now, Senator Gardner says his bill is adding proven intent to the table, but the testimonies of those who've lost loved ones behind hit and runs say this bill is only to protect criminals.
This bill came because we passed a law this session that is a good intending law with one fundamental fatal flaw,
which Senator Trent Gardner says is the element of mental state, meaning if someone doesn't know they hit someone else, they could still get 20 years in prison. Senate Bill 668 is amending those stricter penalties under law.
That you either knew about it or recklessly should have known about it because you were driving drunk or on drugs. And so this just gives a small amount of protection to the people who innocently did not know they hit somebody.
Oftentimes in a hit and run, the only witness to the crime is the person who committed it. And if they're going to flee the scene, they're not going to be forthcoming and admit that they knew what they were doing.
People are more likely to get away with negligent homicide.
Stacey Bankston says she lost her son to a drunk driver who's been able to spend the last 2 Christmases with their family while her son is dead.
Because if you can't prove that a crime's really been committed, then this allows for just leaving the scene to be charged.
The Judicial Committee met on the bill listening to multiple people, like Bankston, speak against the bill.
These are people who have lost loved ones to hit and runs. I'm very, very understanding of that position. The problem is when you write a law like this, what you can do just as badly is get really innocent people who did not know they caused an accident and were put in a severe 20+ years in jail for doing that.
Jay Jackson, THV 11 News.